bunch of stuff everywhere, been doing all kinds of stuff. But what I want to talk to you about today is this K-Tune throttle body. And I want to show you how clean this thing looks. I mean, look at that. Now, if you do this throttle body on the RBC manifold, you are going to have to match port the RBC manifold to make this fit, which I did that on the previous video, and I'll probably try to put one together with the throttle body installed, but just kind of get an idea. But I mean, look at the CNC on this thing, just so clean. I mean, it's not even polished and it's clean, you can kind of tell. But I'm not gonna use the auto control valves. I'm gonna cap these two off right there, and because I'm gonna do a Wireworks harness. But I did get a map sensor from 4-bar from K-Tune. So blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. Now I also ordered a V-band with this, a Vengeance V-band, and I have it right here. So it's optional. See that? You take these two bolts right here and this bolt right here, and you can just put this one on, and then you run a Vengeance, a V-band, bolts up to this into your intake, which I'll probably do this when I go turbo. But and you can see how clean that looks. And it's got a O-ring right there, as you can tell. It's got an O-ring right here, so when you put on the throttle body, bolt it up, it's kind of nice and clean. But you can kind of get the idea of how we're gonna do this. What's it called? But yeah, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you a So I got all this hardware right here for the throttle body. See that? If you wanna route the map sensor on top, it's got a little deal right there. So, and then I got that map sensor too, which is right there. Now I know my garage is a mess from that shaving, so I need to clean everything that I'm gonna have to put on. It's gonna. So, but K-Tune right there is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably install this right here. manifolds, nice match port right there, nice and clean. Shape this up, shape the whole manifold. You know. Ding, ding, ding. As you can tell, did the four map sensor. Good thing about this, you don't have to use the spacer with the new K-Tune throttle body. See that? Straight up bolted. Well, since I shift this whole thing up, it won't look as bulky or as big, you know? Check it out. Look at that match port right there. I don't know if you can tell. Flows nice and clean inside. It's kind of how it looks right there. Of course, I shaped this, so it kind of looks different right now. But there you have it, guys.